This is one of the lists at the Frederiksberg Shopping Center in Frederiksberg, Copenhagen, Denmark. This was originally a 1996 Otis 2000 VF, but it was replaced with a KONE monospace in 2024. And it has the black KSS buttons. We're currently on Utgard. I'll go down to, which one's the bottom? We'll just say K. Okay. Up the parker ring. Here we go up. Parker ring. Back down to guard. Inspection. Oh yeah, that still says Otis. Yeah, this was an Otis 2000 VF and it was modernized by KONE. Actually, I don't think it's an EcoDisc. I think it might still. Yeah, I think it's actually bottom drive because I didn't see any motor at the top. Go back to guard. That causing that's gonna be it.